Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ideaology token. Ticker symbol is IDEA. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, the Ideaology token, a blockchain project that strives to connect 3 types of users on one unique business network platform, just got listed today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So this token is live on Mexc right now. If you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. All you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search IDEA, IDEA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Polygon blockchain, brand new project, only has 50 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 600,100,000 IDEA tokens. So yeah, it's on the Polygon blockchain. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here. They're doing very well. They have the blue verified check mark, 29,000 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage and Telegram on there. It says, support bright ideas through decentralized crowdfunding. Their address for their Twitter is at Ideaology.io, 1,653 tweets. Their Telegram is at Ideaology.io as well, 8,591 Telegram members, doing very well. And then has a link to their webpage, Ideaology.io. Over there you can find a full document section as well. That'll take you over to Ideaology-Gitbook. Ideaology-1.gitbook.io. So in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the intersection of blockchain, quantum computing, and artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize the way we do business. Our company is at the forefront of this movement, combining the power of secure, decentralized networks with the speed and efficiency of quantum computing and the intelligence of AI to create a new and innovative solutions for a wide range of industries. Whether it's streamlining supply chain management, enhancing data security, or improving decision-making processes, we are dedicated to using cutting-edge technologies to drive progress and make a positive impact on the world. Join us on this exciting journey to build a better future through the convergence of blockchain, quantum, and AI. So their vision, we are committed to creating a decentralized virtual world where users have full control over their data, assets, and identity. By leveraging the security and transparency of blockchain technology, we aim to create a trusted platform for transactions and interactions. We believe that this will open up new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike, enabling them to trade, transact, and connect in new and innovative ways. With quantum computing, we aim to provide unparalleled speed and efficiency for complex computational tasks enabling us to create a truly immersive and innovative gaming experience. Our metaverses will provide a new dimension of reality where users can explore, play, and interact with others in real time. Our use of AI will also enhance the user experience, providing real-time insights and recommendations to drive engagement and create new opportunities for growth. Our vision is to create a world where technological advances enrich our lives, providing new opportunities for connection, creativity, and exploration. We believe that by combining the power of blockchain, quantum computing, metaverses, gaming, and AI, we can build a better, more connected, and more sustainable future for all. So their mission, we are committed to creating a decentralized virtual world where users have full control over their identity, assets, and data. By leveraging security and transparency on the blockchain, we aim to create a trusted platform for transactions and interactions. We believe that this will open up new opportunities for businesses and individuals, enabling them to trade, transact, and connect in new innovative ways. So they have a whole section on working domains, blockchain and metaverse. They talk about their team as being experienced professionals in all of these aspects. And they have their fundamentals, their vision for 2023 here. Basically like a roadmap for the Ideaology platform here. So they started back in Q2 with the beta version, and then beta 1 version, main version, and then we have the earning idea coins game modes for, it looks like 8-ball pool you could play. And then there's multiplayer modes, tournaments. Then they came out with NFTs and NFT staking. Buy and sell the NFTs, and then their own NFT marketplace. Then we have Metaverse, create, sell, and trade NFTs, buy and sell virtual lands, play and develop your own games, secure and transparent voting platform, blockchain-based platform, real-time voting process, and then secure and user-friendly, easier and more accessible, and tokens are secure and protected. So that's all the things that they've been working on here. And they have a public message from the CEO. They talk about, they have a whole section on their metaverse and gaming, and then they have work as a pro section. So if you want to learn all about the games, they have one called Water Puzzle. They have the 8-ball pool that I mentioned. It looks like they have a car racing game. They have one called Save the Puppy, Tractor Simulator, all sorts of different play-to-earn games you could check out. Ideaology-1.gitbook.io is going to give you all the information. That's their document section. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.